Hi friends! So in this video we are going to learn how to build block succulents. It has total 79 pieces and this plant is called devil's horns. We have others in the arrangement as well. So these are the plants of the arrangement. You can collect all of these. So the plant which we have is this one, devil's horns. So let's open this. So we have total 79 block pieces in this, and we have one instruction sheet which teaches us how to build this plant, which is devil's horns. So let us look at the very first step of this block succulents, devil's horns. Zoom in. We keep it like this. So we need 2 of square pieces and 4 of these. These are the pieces for the first step. So we keep the first 4 pieces like this. And then with the 2 square pieces we keep it on the top at the very center. Like this. Make sure they're tight so that they won't come off. Now let's go to the second step. So we keep it like this. We need 1 piece of this and 4 pieces. Keep it like this and keep it on the first step block. So we keep the 4 brown pieces like a pizza. And then we keep the green circle piece at the very center on top. So we keep it tight to make it steady. Like this. So this piece is ready. Then we pick the first piece and boom! Let's go to the third step. We need one, and one flower. We keep it like this. And these are the pieces. We keep the flower like this to the pot. Then we keep it here. Then we pick the green piece and keep it here. Now let's go to step 4. 4 pieces and 4 pieces. So we got these. So we will keep the curved pieces all over. And boom! Now let us go to step 5. 2 pieces, 2 pieces and 4 pieces. We keep it all over. We grab this piece. Boom! Now let us go to step 6, which is a bit time consuming. So we need these pieces. We follow the steps here and keep it here. Let's grab those. Okay, so first let us fix this. These 4 pieces go all over the piece. And boom! There we go. See? Nice and easy. Then we pick the white piece and keep it at the center, acting like a bullet. And then we attach this piece to the bottom. There. Then we attach that to this piece. Perfect. Okay. Now we get this piece and it goes right through there. Nice, right? Now let's go to step 7. So we need these pieces for this step. Then we follow these steps to make it like this. These are the pieces needed. So first we attach this piece to the bottom. And then with these pieces, we attach them all over the sides. Boom! There we go. Now let's go to step 8. We need all these pieces for this step. Follow these steps and attach to the sides of the previous piece. So first, we keep them like this. Make sure they're tight. Then we attach them to this. Boom! We did it for the second piece as well. Now we attach to two sides, any two sides, like this. To make it act like claw leaves. Almost done. Good job. Now we are done with the first page. Let's go to the next page and we go to step 9. Here we need 4 and 4. We follow this step to make it like this 4 times. So we attach like this, and we have to do the same for the rest 3 pieces. Boom! There we go. And then we attach like this. To make it look like horns. Boom! There we go. The piece is ready. Now let us go to step 10. So we need all these pieces. And we keep them like this to the connecting piece. Let's get those pieces. So we first do with the dark green, 1 and 2. So we do the same for the light green. There. Now with this piece, we have to attach these two into the holes. There. Now let us go to step 11. We need all these pieces. Follow the steps here, 1 and 2, and make it look like this. So we keep like this, then like this, and boom! We attach these pieces to the connecting piece. Dark green, light green, and the third light green. Perfect. Now we should make sure it looks like this. We have to connect all. Let's get all those previous pieces and fix them in the center. Like this. Then we get this piece and fit that into the circle. Ta-da! There we go. We finished the plant. And what is the plant's name? Yes, it is devil's horns. Perfect, right? So, it's very good. So what did we learn from this? The Legos have a sharp structure which holds them together. To make a project so perfect like this. If you enjoyed, do like this video and subscribe to this channel for more fun videos. So until then, bye bye.